Hey, it's John. What if I told you that a governance risk and compliance program can drive 7 steps to better policies? Now, how does this work? Our organization has policies and standards because we want to make sure people understand what to do and how to do it. So we define those policies and standards, and we see there's 30 items to do, and they're broken down by priority and the status. It has the tasks and the objective of the tasks. So if we were to look at this and say there's 30 things to do for policies and standards, let's sort by priority. So where priority is 1, we've reduced this to 2 items. And what we need to do is define our cloud security policy and our vulnerability and patch management standards. Then we'll talk with our architecture group, and our architecture group will conduct some architecture review, network security design, production and non-production environments. Again, review that segmentation of networks, your information assurance, and your framework and your secrets management. So here we have already discovered that we have policies and standards for our vulnerabilities, how we're going to define our architecture. Then we'll move into how we're going to verify it. We're going to start with an on-demand asset inventory, a validation of our cloud deployments. Then we'll move to public endpoints, on demand for our clusters, and then more work with identity access management. After we move from verification, we're going to check our software supply chain. Right? What is our supply chain security? Do we have containers? Are they being scanned? Have we defined our secure registry definitions? And have we restricted access to privileged accounts on cloud providers? Then we need to determine our monitoring and alerting, because if you're not watching, you won't be able to protect from it. So we see that we want to define our logging strategy and make sure that that works for our cloud and Kubernetes environments. So here we have established 7 steps to better policies, and we have a clear understanding of where priority is 1. So that's a great start to improve your organization's cloud security. But how are they going to do that? What are they going to use, right? Control names and control identifier groups. So when we focus on access control, we see that access control is in depth, right? What makes this important is that these primary controls have descriptions, and then they have related controls that have to be satiated along with the status around it. Maybe we want to leave access control and go to access enforcement. Access enforcement is different. It's enforcing access. So the top control here is access enforcement and allowing approved authorizations, but we see that there are 43 other related controls that we should take into consideration when we develop our access enforcement policies, processes, and procedures and improve our organization's performance. If you're enjoying this, comment, like, and follow for more.